Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Do you like linguine in clam sauce? Today I'm going to share with you the Chinese version, fresh clams in black bean sauce over noodles. It's so delicious. Clams in Chinese is 蛤蜊. You don't know that one, right?
I don't know that one.
Let me show you the ingredients. I have 3 dozen little neck clams. They are the smallest clams, but the most flavorful clams.
Yes.
Yeah, early on I already cleaned it and soaked it in salted water for about 30 minutes. So I'm just fill up my bowl to have enough water so the clams will submerge under the water. Now we add some salt, about a tablespoon, dissolve it. And for the clams, we just need to go under water, running water, and brush it. This is my turtle brush. Here's the last one. Yeah, they're all good. Okay. Nice. And we're going to put in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So this way the sand is going to purge. And to go with my clams, this is dry noodles. Very similar to linguine, right? Flat noodles.
Very similar.
Yep. And I have 3 green onions for garnish. Okay, put aside. And I have 4 garlic cloves. They're pretty big. You just need to peel them and chop up roughly. Let's give that a smack. And just roughly chop them up. And I have 1 red bell pepper. I just need 1 piece, like that. Save the rest. Remove the seeds. And just cut into dice. Okay, that's our diced bell pepper. And here's our black bean, fermented black bean. So made from soybean. Let's open this. Like this. Smells so good. And we'll probably just need a piece like that, about 2 tablespoons, and give a rough cut or chop. So this way release the flavor. That's a lot, right? Probably just use
a portion of it.
2/3 of it. That should be enough. About 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to just rinse the clams and we're ready to cook. I'm heating up my wok to medium heat. Add some oil, use avocado oil. First we're going to stir fry our black bean. Garlic and bell pepper. Smells good already, right?
Smells great.
Yeah, on the other side, I'm boiling water, so we're gonna cook noodles soon. Now we're gonna add our clams. Now we're going to cover it. Cook about a few minutes until the clams open. While our clams is opening up, slowly it's putting our noodles. This will cook about a few minutes. After a few minutes, the clams are all opening up. Looking good, right?
Beautiful.
We can add a little bit noodle water for more sauce. And finish with green onions.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Ah,
Our
smells
clams
so
are ready.
good.
Waiting for our noodles. My noodles almost ready. Just add a little bit of cold water so they cook evenly. Now my noodles are ready. Wow. Warm noodles. Very similar to linguine, right?
Yes.
Now we top with the clams. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it?
Really beautiful.
And we're ready for dinner. Isn't it great?
Wow, it looks delicious.
And sauce, enough sauce.
Yeah.
Black bean sauce, so aromatic. We still have another bowl of clams. Because Mr. Cameron said 2,000. 2,000 is not enough.
Yeah.
Now we have 3.
I love clams.
Ready to try?
I'm ready.
Come on, noodles. Wow, they're long.
Wow. Smells so good.
Enjoy. You try clams first?
I'm trying everything first. Wow.
They're flavorful, right?
So flavorful. You could taste the sea with the clams. And then that black bean sauce and the garlic.
Yeah. We can put a little bit less black bean. Right?
I think it's great. All those clams. So
It's so
flavorful.
fresh, right?
Yep. Wow.
Awesome. Come
Delicious.
on, clams.
The noodles.
Flavored, right?
Wow, delicious. Sorry for all the noise.
I know, from the shells. Perfect, right?
Wow. This is great.
Yeah, please leave me comment below how you made your linguine in clam sauce and how you like your linguine and clam sauce. And please try to make this. It's a different flavor, you know, it's Chinese style. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.